Before use, it is necessary to charge both the Puzzlebox Orbit helicopter and the infrared transmitter. A USB charging cable is included in the package. The port for the transmitter is found on the bottom next to the headphone jack. The port for the Puzzlebox Orbit helicopter is found on the bottom on the front by the power switch. Please make sure to fully power off your Puzzlebox Orbit helicopter before charging. Before pairing the Bluetooth headset, please make sure a AAA battery is installed in the back of the NeuroSky Mindwave Mobile. Next, turn on the NeuroSky Mindwave Mobile and enter pairing mode by sliding the switch all the way over to the side until the blue light begins to double flash. Once the Mindwave Mobile is in pairing mode, enter Settings on your device, Bluetooth, and search for devices. After a few moments, the Mindwave should appear in the list, and you can click on it to pair. The Mindwave Mobile will appear in the Paired Devices list. When putting on the NeuroSky Mindwave Mobile, first slide the forehead sensor into the proper position and check the headband for comfortable fit. Note that the earpiece should fully go behind the user's ear. Check that the ground and reference clip has good contact with the earlobe and that no hair is in the way of the sensor on the forehead. When removing the headset, make sure to unclip from the ear first. After the infrared transmitter has been fully charged, you can connect it to your mobile phone or tablet using the headphone jack. If you have a case on your device, please make sure that the dongle is still able to fit fully flush with the rest of the system. After it's been connected, make sure to raise the volume to its maximum. Some mobile phone devices and tablets will reset the volume every time the dongle is removed, so be sure to check each time. Once setup is complete, we can launch the app. The first step is to connect to the Bluetooth headset. These icons show progress. Once the connection is established, we can begin monitoring the signal on the ear clip. This signal allows us to filter out electrical noise from the environment. When the signal bar is completely full, we can begin measuring levels of attention in red or meditation and relaxation in blue. These sliders allow us to set target levels for the helicopter to fly. If I watch where my attention level happens to be averaging, I can set the slider somewhere above it so it won't trigger by accident. Once I've set my target, I can turn the helicopter on. And if I concentrate, the helicopter will fly. As long as I maintain focus, the helicopter will continue flying. You can control the flight characteristics of the Puzzlebox Orbit helicopter under the Advanced Options menu. Throttle will control how high the helicopter will fly when it takes off. It may be necessary to adjust throttle over time as the charge in the Puzzlebox Orbit helicopter begins to decline. Yaw controls spin in the clockwise and counterclockwise directions. And pitch will allow you to set your helicopter to fly across the room, forwards or backwards, by operating the small propeller at the top of the Puzzlebox Orbit helicopter. Settings at the bottom are useful for troubleshooting, such as channel to adjust the frequency of the infrared signal, or invert control signal, which is necessary for certain devices, such as the HTC One X phone, whose audio chipset is slightly different than more common models. Some mobile devices feature a sound enhancer, such as Beats Audio. This changes the way the music sounds when you listen to it. When we are playing the control signal through the headphone jack, Beats audio or similar sound enhancers will still affect flight of the helicopter. Please make sure to disable them in the settings menu. I think we're good.